Hi there, top of the morning to you. I should be holding up some coffee. There we go. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called AnimaQuote, and it's about a couple hundred PLR Canva animation templates. I'll show you what I mean. I like to start at the finish. There's a non-PLR version of this and a PLR version. It's about $17 and some change and $19 and some change. I'm just going to call it under 20 bucks. So what is this? It's templates that you can use on Canva to create eye-catching animated videos. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you what I mean. Let's go. And the link, by the way, is in the video description. You click the link, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see a bit of a description of what it does, how many there are, and then 3 steps to work it. There's a demo video, and then there's the upgrade offers. So there's a few other versions. You get more slideshows and animations and vertical cinematic ones and things like that. 7,600 design bundles. So there's and you have the commercial and private label rights with that. Yeah, I can see that. So, and then you click the box. It says AnimaQuote. You pick the box, you click the box, and away you go. So that's what's there. Let's go inside AnimaQuote here, and I'm going to show you. There you go. What's inside? 200 plus Canva animation templates, unlimited access, no download files. All elements are included, and you have for the $19 kind of thing, all PLR licenses sell them, and away you go. So here, let's go inside, and they go here. You can create a ton of these different animations because it's already in there. You can put it together real fast. That's the whole point of it. I'll let you read through all the blah, blah, blah. We love it. It's ready to post and sell in seconds. I'm going to come around to the 3-part thing here. And here you go. Skip the without. Premium templates not included in Canva. Edit all elements. Click and edit as you want. Save your time, and away you go. And so here, it's as easy to log in and select the template, customize the template inside Canva, export. You're done. And I'm going to show down here. There you go. This will give you an idea of what we're talking about. So they have some different versions here. I'm not going to scroll through. I'll let you click and watch each one of these, but you get the idea. These are eye-catching. They say things. They make people go, hey, what's that? Bam. This is going to get you attention. So that one is set up as quote animations. This is a square format. Where do you use square format is Instagram, I think. Vertical format, maybe that's Instagram, and the square one is TikTok. Is that the no? What's a square one? You know what the square one is already. Quote titles, so just to do the titles themselves. And again, these are templates. You can set this up. You can use a typography and animate it. So whatever the thing you're wanting to say. Quote banner, the people and the we'll call it the quote. Social post. Square format for wherever they use the square format at. Here, stories are from Instagram, stories, reels, TikTok videos, and there you go. It'll work. It'll get you attention. It'll get people watching. It'll get people sharing, and that's what you want. And the whole thing is, I'm going to scroll past all this and go down and go, so here, that's what I'm saying. There's one regular license and one with PLR. So it's all the same, except you can sell the version. So 1727 gives you the AnimaQuote, and this gives you, for 1943, gives you the PLR version that you can resell the things. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today called AnimaQuote PLR Canva Animation Templates, under 20 bucks. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.